Welcome to WebStarPress. How to convert SVG to images in the browser using JavaScript. Sometimes you need to save complex SVG graphics as PNG or JPEG images, like for charts, diagrams, or other SVG-based content. In such cases, you need to convert SVG to PNG or image. SVG to image conversion has a lot of use cases. I will create an example, then I will share use cases. So this is my HTML and I've got this canvas with ID canvas, some width and height, then an image without source. With ID, output image. We will render an SVG as an image in the canvas and then convert it to an image format. To do that, we will use canvg library. It's a JavaScript SVG parser and renderer on canvas. Here is the example. This is its website. canvg.js.org. From cdn.js, I will get this script. At the bottom, this is the script canvg umd.min.js. Script tags. We will take SVG graphic as a string to dynamically create or modify SVG content as needed. Here's our function, render SVG to canvas. This is called to that function to render the SVG. It will be an async function. Get the canvas element, get the drawing context on canvas element to draw and manipulate 2D graphics. Initialize canvg and render the SVG. Parse the SVG string and prepare it for rendering on the canvas. And then render the SVG on the canvas. Here, get the image element and then convert the canvas content to an image and display as image. Let's see. And here it is. SVG to image. Now this is an image. You see, this is PNG image. And here, this is the canvas and this is the image. So SVG was rendered onto the canvas and canvas content was converted to PNG image. And this is how you can convert SVG to image. Okay, so use cases. As I mentioned, this technique can be used to save complex SVG graphics as PNG or JPEG images like charts or diagrams. Converting an SVG to image makes it more shareable. Some applications or platforms may not support SVG directly, such as email clients or older browsers. By converting SVG to a PNG image, you can ensure compatibility across different platforms. SVGs are resolution independent, so can become complex and heavy if they contain a lot of vector information or details. For performance optimization, especially in rendering heavy applications, you may want to convert SVGs to raster images. If you need to display a small preview of an SVG graphic, converting it to a PNG can help create consistent and optimized thumbnails. In applications like design tools or data visualization dashboards, you may want to capture the current state of an SVG graphic for saving or sharing. The conversion makes this process straightforward. Pretty useful, right? So this is how we can convert SVG to image using JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.